Welcome to the world of Eve Pacific, your guide to efficient AI automation solutions. We're about to embark on a transformative journey into a new era of operational excellence, where technology isn't just an add-on but a core driver of success. Hello, I'm Nora, and I'm here to guide you through the incredible potential of AI automation solutions. At Eve Pacific Media, we're not just about change, we're about evolution, transforming how organizations operate, one innovative solution at a time. Our mission is simple yet profound: to empower businesses by streamlining operations, eliminating inefficiencies, and paving the way for unprecedented growth. Eve Pacific Media provides AI automation solutions catering to the challenges and opportunities presented to implementers and integrators of their organization's operations framework. Does this look familiar? Overwhelmed staff, disjointed processes, missed opportunities. But what if there's a better way? With Eve Pacific Media's AI automation solutions, these aren't just possibilities but realities. We integrate cutting-edge AI solutions, like machine learning and AI virtual assistants, to meet and exceed your operational goals. Whether you're a small enterprise or a large corporation, our bespoke AI solutions are designed to fit your unique needs, driving efficiency, enhancing productivity, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Ready to unlock the full potential of your organization? Visit evepacificmedia.com and discover how we can guide you toward a smarter, more efficient future with AI automation. Thank you for watching.